These small works are part of a series. Whenever I travel, I like to bring a couple of pieces of wood with me. And if I see something interesting or something I like, I will draw it on the wood from observation. And then when I return to my studio, when I go home, I will carve them and print them. I don't have a camera, and when I travel, I don't like to take photos. I think it's much too quick of an action, and the memory of the place sort of gets lost. When you sit down and draw, especially these pieces which take between 1 and 2 hours to draw each, you really remember what was happening at the time you drew them. I remember exactly what I was doing and how I was feeling when I made each one of these pieces. Another interesting thing that they do is they talk about the meaning of memory and how our memories change, and our memories are largely constructed by ourselves. Because of the nature of the medium of woodcut, I draw the piece and it is the correct way, but when I print it, it becomes backwards, like a stamp. And then slowly, gradually, my memory of the place becomes the memory of the woodcut and not of the actual place. So my memory of all of these places is actually backwards. And I think that that is an interesting point in relation to how memory works for everything. We always remember things a little bit differently than they really were. And so these pieces are not only about a record of my travels, but also speak to memory and what that means and how that works.